How to make an insect map in ArcMap 10.8. So we have the map of Taraba, which is where we are more interested in, but then we want to show that Taraba State comes from somewhere, which is Nigeria. So to make an insect map, we have always been working on data view. So now to work on make an insect map, you have to go to uh, layout view. Okay, so we won't be preparing the layout view on this tutorial. So to do an insert to bring out this insert map, you have to go to insert and then you bring out another data frame. Okay, so uh, okay, comment. So this is the new layout and this is the main layout. Okay, so um, let's just make an adjustment like this. The insert map, it should be very small, not occupying more of the whole thing. So so okay, now so we'll bring in this Nigeria down, we'll drag it down and then remove the one up here, leaving just Taraba State. So let's make this bigger. Oh, I haven't activated this one. Let's make it to S10. And then let's activate the layer up. That's that of Taraba State. Then let's make it bigger. Up. So using the pan to draw it. So basically, this is how to make an insert map. So for more of our video, visit our video archive.